go through a little demonstration on how to make things a little better and accurate. But there's many ways to do this. Here's this little ladder thing. I got to center it up on here and weld it to here. But I just want to center it this way and this way. Then you got 1/32, 1/16, 1/8 inch, and bigger. So Fab Tip Friday, Fireball Tool Shims and 1, 2, 3 blocks, Episode 1.
Warning. Flashing lights occurred during this video. Please use caution. The content and techniques you see in this video are performed by professionals. We ask that you do not attempt at your own risk. Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? Chris Wonarski here, and we are at Friday, June 21st. And we're going to call this Fab Tip Friday. Alright, just a quick little tip right here. So it'll be a quick little video too. And we'll just go through a little demonstration on how to make things a little better and accurate. But there's many ways to do this. Here's this little ladder thing. I got to center it up on here and weld it to here. But I just want to center it this way and this way. This way's easy though, but this way. So I already did one over here, wherever it is, right here, and I'll go through the second one. I thought that it might be a good little tip. First way is easy. If you don't have any fireball shims, you can just measure it on your outside, like 3 3/8. That's what I kind of know that I kind of need. But the problem with that is you got a little flare up right here in case these aren't like super accurate. So it's a little difficult. Or you can measure from here to here and find your center, and then same thing on that side, draw a straight line and just measure here to here and then center right there and just eyeball it, and that'll get you well within a 1/16 of an inch. But let's try getting you a little closer than that. I preach fireball tools a lot just because if you're working by yourself or like not really with a helper, even with a helper, they just makes your life so much easier and definitely more accurate. But I know I need around 3 3/8 of an inch. So these are 1, 2, 3 blocks. These ones I actually got from a yard sale. 2 of them, actually I got 4 of them for like $10 or something. That was a good deal. And then these ones are the fireball tool ones, a little more money. I got these with the set. I don't know what they cost, like 40 bucks or so for 2 of them. I might have 2 at home. I don't know if I got 4 or 2 of them. But I know I need that. So that'll be 3 inches right there on each side, and I had to make sure this is going the right way too, which we are. Shims, I'm sure you can find them descriptions anywhere else, but they go from anywhere from 3 or 1/32 of an inch, and these are like plus or minus like 4/1000ths of an inch accuracy. Then you got 1/32, 1/16, 1/8 inch, and bigger. So we'll go 3/8. So we got 3/8. Now this one could be a hair smaller than that other break, depending on where I broke it, but we're pretty good right there. I had to do 3 7/16. I'm at 3 3/8 right now, so within a 1/16. I don't need that extra 1/16, but we're tight fit right there. Right there, I'm not, so it looks like one end broke a little different than the other. So I'm not sure if a 1/16 will fit on each side, which it won't, so we'll go 1/32 on each side. 1/32 and 1/32. Now I doubt it'll fit on this side. Might. No. So it won't. So we're centered up that way. And we're centered up that way. So you can't ask for any more center than that. Pretty much. We're probably plus or minus not even a 64th for our accuracy for center. So quick little tip. Push this to the end and center it up this way. It doesn't have to be perfect. And center it up where I see that I like it. And I'll just clamp it down and tack it, and we're good to go. Quick little tip. This is just why it works a little better, because we're touching on the bottom, but on the top it's flared out, so get you a little more accurate where that bend is. Many more ways to use the Fireball shims, and I shared it, but I probably won't be able to share it in this video, but that's just a quick little video on how you could use some shims and 1, 2, 3 blocks and stuff, but how that Fireball tool stuff, just the shims work. It's way better than using, this is what we used before, just flat bar, and it's not always perfect. Quick little video I wanted to share. Maybe I'll just do stuff like that. Quick little 5-minute video, give or take, for like a Fab Tip Friday or something. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. Chris Winarski, over and out. See you on the next one.
Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, dislike, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram where I post more often at Chris Winarski. See you on the next one.